hair and start fighting me. Like I had to defend myself. She wouldn't let my hair go, so I had no choice.
Yeah.
I am not to her.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your. Quit trying to fight me. You're gonna get sprayed.
On May 30th, 2024, a responding officer arrived at a residential property to find a physical altercation already in progress between an elderly woman and her niece. A family dispute that had turned physical. What started as a recording confrontation over a neighbor's presence on family property ended with a woman in her 70s in handcuffs charged with domestic battery.
Help! I need help, lady. I always stop
Resisting. Put your hands behind your. Quit trying to fight me. You're gonna get sprayed. How you doing? Where are they taking off to?
Huh?
So where are they taking off to?
Crazy ass little dude. They own the property, talking shit.
I gotcha. Alright. Do you stay here?
No.
No. Alright.
Monty's house.
What's that?
Monty's house. What was up?
Your aunt's house? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the deal, man. I'm getting a call saying that you're out here delivering dope.
Every time I pull up. Every time
I know, I've dealt with it before, man.
Okay.
I haven't talked to you with it before, but I've dealt with the situation before.
Sonny's on this fucking deathbed, and I come out here every now and then. Oh, man. I got time to test it.
Why? Why does she seem to think that
She's hated us since we was fucking kids, dude.
Really?
I used to smoke weed, but
Yeah, that ain't shit.
I don't even smoke no more, so.
Right. Where do you stay?
Uptown.
Oh, okay.
Look at it. What the fuck she doing?
The hell? What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Are you serious?
You got a hand on her head. She won't let her go.
She won't let her go. Get off of her.
She wouldn't get off of me.
Let go.
Let go of me.
Let go.
Yeah, try to let go of me.
Let go.
You let go of me.
Stop.
I ain't doing nothing to her. She did it to me.
She
She put her hand on me.
How old is she?
I don't know.
I'm trying to defend myself.
She won't let me go.
I ain't trying to put my hands on
Stay
her.
right here.
She way over
Hey.
here.
What the hell is going on right now?
Cause I call for them drug people that come over here to beat me. That's a lie.
Where do you live?
She live way over there.
Why are you on their property?
I got no problem. Yes, we do. I got no paper.
Hey,
Defend myself.
She jumped on me and she said,
you're on their property.
She This my mom. I got the name of it. I got her. Cause I called for that drug though.
Go.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that, auntie?
She a lie.
Why would you do that?
She lied. She come over here.
She come over here and jumped on me. She mad because I recorded.
Hey, enough! One at a time.
They come to jump on me.
Ma'am, step over there for me.
Okay. She
Please.
jumped on me.
That's a lie.
Here, ma'am, step up here with me.
7 years old walk. I'll show you where we got this property. Okay. Why you jumped on me though? Yeah, she
She's
did.
mad because I recorded her because she come up here and record her.
Ma'am, step back there and be quiet. I will come back and talk to you in just a second.
Did you see her come over here and jump on me?
Ma'am, step back over there. I will come to talk to you in just a second.
Okay. This that heifer did. She wanted it anyway.
One more time.
Wanted.
Who wanted?
Hey,
All right.
Sad.
she waited on him.
All right. So
Come way over here.
I come to get that
She was recording.
I come to get that
step back over there. You're going to jail.
He come behind me.
For what? You put your hands on me. I defended myself. You jumped on me.
All right. I've had enough.
Number 134237.
Over there taking that tag.
77. I think that's still 61. Hey, ma'am, come here.
She put her hands on me.
Then why was it over here
Oh, I was taking a piece of that Bodycam.
on their property?
That's not their property.
Okay, is this yours?
No, I'm the head of it. Oh, they ain't make
Do you have the paperwork?
That's it.
Go ahead.
And then she come over here and jumped on me because I was. She gonna be. She wanted it in Tallahassee anyway.
54. I got it separated now.
Yes, she did. She come over here and jumped on me. Yes, she did.
Where did it start?
I was taking pictures. She came up.
Where?
Oh, it started over there. I'm gonna go.
Because when I pulled up, you were on their property and behind their house. Yeah.
She came over here and jumped on me and scratched me up.
Okay, so when you go into their property and they jump on
They
you,
do not have no problem.
okay, do they live there?
She been that way. I'm talking about right here.
You were up here when I pulled up into the yard.
Drag me up there.
Okay, no, you were walking by. You were walking by yourself.
I'm gonna call somebody else.
Go ahead. Hey, get back in your house. Go back on your property in your house. I'm going to take you for obstruction. I don't care. I am trying to separate this and quell this. Okay, go back over here and quit obstructing.
All right, she jumped on me.
Taking a 70-something-year-old woman to fucking jail. Goddamn.
I'm not wanted for nothing, honey. He can run my name. I'm not wanted for nothing, honey.
All right.
You jumped on me for no reason. I can't believe Auntie did that for real. Like,
See, I saw y'all running back this way. Who owns this strip here?
my mama, and then that's where we put our hogs feed at and stuff, our animals and stuff to feed at. She come up here running up here with the camera, right?
Yeah, I seen her when I pulled up.
So I come up to record her showing, because they said we have to have proof that she keep coming on my property. She like literally grabbed my hair and started fighting me. Like I had to defend myself. She wouldn't let my hair go, so I had no choice but to defend myself.
Yeah,
I got witnesses.
And all I see when I run up is you got a hold of her hair. You're a hell of a lot younger than she is, so that's why I pulled you off the way I did.
No, you missed it.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I came in on the end of it.
Yeah, she
on the
put on, I had to stop. I can't let
No, I agree.
her like that though. Like she came over here and jumped, like she came up. Auntie, why is you lying?
I know.
I know.
A microphone at her house. She talking.
Y'all,
you think I want to fight my auntie? I would never do that.
No.
I would never do that.
Did
The only thing I did was try to record her, record it over here on the
I was fixing
property.
to say, did anybody get it on video?
I don't know, hopefully.
I thought I did, but
I was telling them to record.
What about- Who else was out here? Wasn't there one other?
Grandma, we was out here trying to stop. We was trying to get
Stop
off
her.
Yeah, I know.
So I
have no choice. I have no choice.
Say,
but to defend
who else?
myself.
Who else
I
was
didn't
out
punch her.
here
No,
with
all I
you?
did was put it
that's
down
my
on her.
grandma over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
She didn't video, did she?
No, she
Yeah.
could. We was trying to
Stop her, auntie. She's crazy.
She still.
She's crazy, bro.
My mind's gone.
Like, why would I hit?
Never
I don't. I really don't want to try to take a 70-something-year-old woman to jail, but I'm fixing to. If
She keep doing that shit over and over. Bro.
She harasses all.
She jumped on me.
She got a gun on my friend from Jamaica.
Do what?
She got a gun on my
I really could have just put her down on the ground and punched and beat her to death. But why would I do that?
My friend called up there to the police department, and they said that they couldn't do nothing about it because she working for you guys.
Yeah,
I don't know about that.
it's sad.
Yeah, and my friend ain't been back over here since. She do people back. Everybody come over here. She give them a hard time.
How did all of this start just
She
now?
was
She was over here, right here, recording.
and I came with my phone to record her.
Right here.
Yeah, I know. She was up here when I pulled up. 'Cause I seen her when I pulled up.
So I recorded her.
And then
Right.
And she knocked my phone and grabbed me by my hair and started hitting me. Trying to throw me down on the ground and shit.
So
trying to fight
all of
me.
y'all saw her lay hands on her first.
Yeah, I swear to God.
Y'all willing to write statements?
Yeah.
I swear to God.
Are you want to file charges?
Yes, she jumped
Okay.
on me first.
All right.
Defending myself, like for real. Like I didn't want to. Why would I want to? If I wanted to beat my auntie, I would have. But I could have like beat her. Why would I do that? I didn't want to put my hands on her. Like
Yeah.
I kept telling her, let me go. She wouldn't even let me go. Kept trying to fight me, so I had to defend myself.
So I really don't take an old woman to jail, but it's fixing to happen today. I'll get y'all statement forms. Hey, brother. You didn't happen to record any of that, did you?
No,
Okay. Did you see it?
I just saw her come over to their property, and then she was going to go address it, I guess, and then from there, pulled in, and
Right.
yeah.
Okay. Where does she live?
Way over there. She worried about what's going over here. By my yard.
Where this white banister is on that porch? Okay.
I can't believe she jumped. I can't believe she did that.
Yeah.
Like really, she really have lost her mind.
Like I said, I've been out here for this before.
Yeah, like I'm sick of her, like bro. That's crazy, bro.
All right.
She
All three.
She said I drug her over. That's sickening. I can't believe my tears are really saying all that. Like, that is crazy. Like, really crazy.
All right. Y'all fill one of these out before?
No, but I will.
Okay. So the top's pretty self-explanatory, just all your information. How old are you, man?
I'm 20.
20? Okay, cool. Just fill out those top blocks with all your information, and then as much as you can remember about what happened in the incident, who hit who first, that kind of shit.
She hit me. Grabbed me by my head, threw me down.
Here, you need to throw it on there so you can write it. Can y'all take them inside and write them? Y'all have pens? Okay, just bring them back out whenever you get done. I'm going to go talk to her. By talk to, I mean 10/15th. After this shit. There she is. Here, man.
You know what they did to me. That girl scratched me all in my lips.
Do me a favor. Let me see these. You can set them down the hood.
Oh, this is house phone.
Yeah, that's her. Say that's the house phone.
Yeah. What you want, the,
No, I'm just trying to get you to set them down.
Oh, both of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't go nowhere.
Put your hands behind your
Let me
back.
get somebody,
Ma'am.
Mr. Retired.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, he gonna arrest me.
Stop.
He gonna arrest me, Father. Let me call 911. This gonna jump on me. He gonna arrest me going this here house. I don't think so. Help! I need help, lady. These people done jumped on me.
Stop.
And he gonna do something.
Stop.
And he.
I am trying my best not to hurt you right now.
Okay, don't hurt me.
And stop resisting.
Go ahead. I need some help.
Put your hands behind your back.
I always
Stop resisting.
I got to get somebody to keep my daughter. She's handicapped, but I got to get somebody to keep her. Okay, scratch me up.
I'm going to put you on the ground if you don't stop.
You can go ahead. She don't put me on there. You go ahead. Hey!
Stop. I do not want to hurt you.
Oh, you hurt my arm.
Well, stop resisting.
Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Put your hands behind your... Quit trying to bite me.
Oh, Jesus, please have mercy, Jesus. Oh, Father, have mercy. Have mercy, Jesus, have mercy. Lord, I didn't do nothing, Father, you know it.
Jesus.
Let me get my scarf on my head.
You made this way harder than it needed to be.
No, it didn't, because you still arresting her over there for beating me up. He gonna come over here and arrest me. They know what I do.
Now.
The police know.
Stand up.
I gotta go get
Stand
somebody.
up.
I gotta get somebody to see about my door.
Come on.
The turning and I gotta get somebody.
Come on.
Okay. Let me call my daughter. Just let me call my daughter.
Have a seat.
Yeah, take these out. Let me call my daughter.
Swing your feet in.
You can't take me away.
I'm not going to ask. Swing your feet in.
You cannot take me away until I go in there and tell somebody to come at my daughter.
Ma'am, put your feet in the back of the car. Move your foot. Move your foot.
Don't tell me you abuse me.
Move your foot.
Oh, Jesus.
You're going to get sprayed.
Spray me
Okay.
for what? Hey, I'm doing it right. I got to get somebody to come down here for me and my handicapped daughter. It's a sad shame. I got to get somebody to see about my handicapped daughter. I don't care how hard you get mad with me. Let me tell my neighbor right there, tell them come look at my door. Until girls get off of work. And they got the children over there too. What you taking me back over here for?
Because I've got to finish talking to them, getting their statements.
The police already know I'm not here taking pictures. They already know that. They already know.
Yeah, but they don't know you're over here starting fights with them.
That's a lie.
Okay.
They don't know me. What you at this struggle with? Are you serious?
Oh, yeah.
You arrested her? I can't believe
You
she's
had
doing
to
it.
struggle with her?
I can't believe
She went to fight, and I was screwing around with her, trying not to hurt her.
Yeah, that's
That's
what I
what
was
she
trying.
is.
That's what she did.
I was trying not to hurt. I didn't want
It's hard to fight somebody trying not to hurt her.
Trying not to hurt her. Exactly. Because I could have hurt her really if I wanted to. That's my auntie. I didn't.
Yeah.
I was just trying to record her to show her. Stop recording us. Keep coming up here because the people said we gotta have proof of her. Keep coming up here recording, harassing my kids. They come over to my mama's house every day. My children. She harassed them. She harassed my mother. Everybody come to the yard. She keep harassing my mother because she's upset about this property stuff. So I'm my mama's daughter. All I did was go right there on my mom's property because that's how we go. My kids and my mom, and then we go in that trailer. That's my brother's camper. That's where we store our food for the animals at. Right there.
77.
So that's where we store our food for our animals. So she walked up here with the phone. I just went up to her to recording her on our property. She slapped the phone out my hand, pulled my hair, threw me on the ground, trying to literally fight me. And I just can't believe that she's doing that. Like, I can't believe that she really that. She done got that bad.
What was your name, brother? Jamar. All right, so I know you said you only saw a little bit of it. Did you see the beginning of it?
No, I didn't.
Who laid hands on who first?
No, I didn't see. That's the part I didn't see.
Okay. You saw the end of it?
Don't lie. Be honest to him. Tell him the truth.
Right.
Be honest. Tell him exactly what
I mean, you were standing right over here with.
Be honest.
Honestly, when I saw her face when she showed up over there, I saw her face like, yo, I know she's not over on our property. Like, and then from there I was like, hopefully you make it over there before anything.
Yeah,
I saw him swinging, but
I started saying I was talking to him over here, and I didn't really realize what was going on until I heard her hollering for help.
right.
She put up a fight for an old woman. Is it down below your shirt line there? There you go. You got to pull it down too far. Where else?
I feel something in my eye. Like,
Oh, yeah.
That's why I had to get her out my face. That's why she got an scratch because she caught me in my eye. I couldn't see.
Right.
So when I couldn't see, I was just like trying to grab her.
Is that your hair that on the freezer?
Yeah. Pulled all my hair out.
Where did it pull from? Do you know?
From the back.
Can't see a bald spot.
No, ain't no
It's
bald
all right.
spot. No bald spot. But that's why she got the scratches because she caught me in my eye. I couldn't see, so I was just trying to stop her from
Right.
whatever she was doing. She was just acting so crazy. Couldn't stop. Yeah, like she was acting crazy. Like she was, I don't know what's wrong.
I've never talked to her when she wasn't, but a little more today than usual. All right.
Getting worse, man.
Oh, there's more hair.
Yeah, she pulled all my hair out.
Yeah, she wouldn't let it
Wouldn't
go.
let my hair go. That's why I had to. That's why she got. I had to defend myself like right here. She pulled all my hair out.
All
I
right.
had no choice
No, I
but
understand.
to defend myself. I would never put my hands on my auntie. Unless I had no choice. She wouldn't stop. She wouldn't stop. Literally, my mama was trying to make her stop. She literally wouldn't stop. And then she grabbed me in my eye right there. That's what made me have to defend myself. But I couldn't see. She started.
You feel like them chocolate.
Oh yeah, she got me with them saying.
Hey!
No, she clawed me. She tried to bite me.
I've been saying she was trying to bite me too. She was trying to bite me too. That's why I had to put my hand like.
After I took her to the ground,
she was trying to bite me.
she was coming over trying to bite my
She
hand.
was trying to bite me too. I think like auntie needs some help. Well, she don't need to go to jail. She needs. Well, she gonna go today because she needs.
Yeah, that's
she
what I
needs
said.
to know that she needs to stop.
She's getting a few different charges today. So
She needs to stop, bruh.
is this where you stay?
No,
Did you put your address on your statement?
no, but I why be here?
77. That one Bravo Foxtrot 1015. What big is an idiot, Bravo?
So I'm going to jail?
What's that?
I'm going to jail?
No.
Oh, I was going to say.
No, I need your address. That way when the state tries to mail you stuff about the case.
My mail comes here to my mama's house.
It comes here?
Yes,
all right.
sir.
Same address?
Yes, sir.
135?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, Auntie, grabbed that. I can't believe I can't believe Yeah, but I ain't know she was that worse. Like, that bad.
Yeah.
Nah, I believe she did pull that gun on that lady for real.
She did.
Like, for real, for real. She getting crazy.
If y'all have any questions, just let us know. Any of the issues.
No.
I don't know what her bond's going to be or when she's going to get out.
I'm about to go tell. I hope Tina, her daughter, go get her.
Are you blood family to her?
That's my auntie. That's my mama's sister. Like, that's my
you're
auntie.
her niece.
Yeah, I'm her niece. Like, literally.
Okay.
That's my auntie, bro. Like, I don't want to press no charges, though.
Yeah, but especially with that dynamic now, too, with it being domestic. Now it's domestic.
Yeah.
So.
And she wouldn't have scratched me in my eye. I wouldn't even try to touch her at all. But she called me, threw me on the ground. She wouldn't let me. She wouldn't stop. She literally wouldn't stop. My mom would try to make her stop. Like they try to make her stop. She wouldn't stop. She literally wouldn't stop.
Reference to the TGM 43 police and welfare.
She got to go to jail. That's sad.
That's 10-4. It's the complainant.
All right, well.
Alrighty. All right, y'all. Like I said, y'all have any issues, let us know. Actually, you still all right back here?
I need for you to let me go over there and
They're gonna let your family know to go check on her.
They don't know how to do
yes,
it.
ma'am.
They don't have a number. They don't have the number on my daughter. Y'all did me like this for long.
You got a cousin across the street, correct?
Nobody knows his number. She going to work. All you gotta do is let me to the door and let me put my daughter on some
no, ma'am.
clothes. You can go in there with me.
No, ma'am.
Well, they return me over there to
man, if you'd have been cooperative through all this, I'd be inclined to let you.
Hollering too.
I don't mean that.
What?
I mean when I went to put you in cuffs and you went to resisting.
Oh.
I think not.
How can you get that whip around me? What you got her coming out here for?
I've got paperwork I need her to fill out.
Well, you can let me go over there and see.
I cannot.
She knows she scratched me up.
You are not getting out of the back of this car, and that's the end of it.
She scratched me up.
Okay.
Auntie, you put your hands on me.
Auntie, you put your hand on me.
Auntie, why would I put my hands on you?
Let me take a picture.
You knocked the phone out my hand and jumped on me. Auntie, come on. I swear to
You
God.
a lie. You gon' get it. You gon' get it. You gon' get it.
God knows there's a
you
God.
The devil ain't the truth.
I don't know what's wrong.
It's going to be a long ride to the jail.
Nothing but a big lie. Everybody, she gon' do it. Everybody right.
You keep saying she needs some help. Y'all start looking into that.
Okay.
I don't know what your options are there outside of assisted living or something like that, but something.
Okay.
All right.
You need anything else from me?
No, you're good to go.
Okay.
Lucinda, you said y'all are going to get somebody to check on her daughter, right?
Yeah, we already did.
Okay.
We already called my mom.
Okay. Awesome. I appreciate it.
All you gotta do is let me go to that house and let them go walk thing. I ain't got to get out. I'm just going to call this mom and say she's trying to get out early from work. Sit up there and leave what they saying. The police I already know. I get them all kind of news from over here. And you gonna come down here and rough them around because of that helper.
Actually, I've got 3 statements against yours. You up close and on their property.
They ain't got no property.
Okay.
They ain't no
I'm not going to argue this with you anymore.
You know they ain't got none. You just want to do that. That's okay too.
Yeah.
It's all right. Just stop right next to the yellow house there and knock at the door. And let that little boy come out. He know his mama number.
1342 Columbia.
Look at that little girl. Hold your thing down. There she go.
I have one Bravo Foxtrot 1015, 51 of the CJ, beginning mileage 321.
Here for 321.
All you had to do is let me see about my handicap.
They got somebody checking on her right now, or actually they already have.
Don't come over there.
They already called your other kin that's already just checked on them.
What kin? All both of my daughters working. you had to do to let me go in there and tell that little girl to call her mama to tell her come down to the house. That's all you had to do. Over there believing them things. Them police already know what I do for them over there. And you come checking and bucking and cause what that girl ain't up with destruction. She dying here now on the wall.
Information from 298. 298. 24-0 kilo.
Now she walked over there where I was taking them pictures, got her phone, and then I put my phone up too. Anybody can go watch and tell you that that's no good thing there. But it'll be okay. Put a hand on her. Used to put a hand on her mama, anybody else lying there.
In case you were wondering, she don't have a warrant.
What kind of name she did?
Lucinda Pope was born on November 19th, 1982.
What kind of name she did?
I've got her pulled up. It's definitely her. Same picture and everything. No warrant.
Out of Tallahassee?
Out of anywhere.
She's gonna arrest me. You should arrest her too. Why I the only one had to get arrested?
Because you were the
what now?
Because you were the primary aggressor.
Yes, a lie.
Okay. You'll have your day in court.
I ain't worried about that.
Okay.
Because I can have no police speak for me. One that I know that I do for them. Take pictures. That's all I was doing. Go in there, taking that picture by that trail, and here she come run. That's all I did. That's all right. Anybody that tries to do right, anyone has to do the bad. But anybody bad, that's anybody. It's for what? I hope you don't turn on my girl's number. I put that camera up to her camera, that's when she grabbed me. And I grabbed the bag.
The Fourth Amendment allows warrantless arrest in public when probable cause exists. 3 elements lock that in here. Visible, physical injuries on the niece, multiple corroborating eyewitnesses, and the officer's own partial observation of the niece being held by her hair on arrival. United States versus Watson, decided in 1976, settled this. A warrantless public arrest for a misdemeanor supported by probable cause is constitutionally permissible. The officer didn't need a warrant. He had the facts. Before any of that, though, there was the initial contact with the young male on scene. The officer asked questions about a prior drug complaint. That conversation was a consensual encounter. No detention, no restraint. Not a Terry stop under Terry versus Ohio from 1968. The First Amendment question matters here because the whole incident was triggered by recording. The niece walked toward her aunt with a phone, trying to document the aunt's presence on family property. That act is constitutionally protected. Courts across multiple circuits have affirmed that recording in public, including recording other people's activities, is protected expression. The officer never challenged the niece's right to record. He handled that part correctly. Determining the primary aggressor is one of the hardest calls in domestic violence response. The officer arrived mid-fight, observed the niece holding the subject's hair, and briefly misread the scene. He corrected that assessment through evidence, not assumptions. 3 written witness statements, visible scratches on the niece's face, hair pulled from her scalp, a clawed eye. That physical record, combined with the witnesses, gave the officer what he needed to identify who initiated the attack. Domestic battery requires intentional, harmful, or offensive physical contact against a family or household member. Hair grabbing, throwing someone to the ground, eye scratching, attempted biting. Each of those independently satisfies the contact element. Together, they're not close. The subject asked repeatedly why only she was being arrested. The officer gave her the answer directly. She was the primary aggressor. That determination drives everything downstream in domestic violence cases. Who gets cuffed? Who gets to walk away? The niece said she didn't want to press charges. The officer was right to explain why that doesn't matter. Most states operate under mandatory or preferred arrest statutes in domestic cases. Once probable cause is established, the arrest decision belongs to law enforcement, not the victim. That policy exists because victims are frequently coerced into dropping complaints. Removing their discretion protects them. The officer applied it correctly. When the arrest command came, the subject refused immediately. She called out for help, invoked religious language, claimed she was being attacked, and physically resisted handcuffing. Under resisting arrest statutes in virtually every jurisdiction, that resistance is a separate criminal offense from the underlying battery charge. The officer's statement mid-struggle, "I am trying my best not to hurt you right now," is worth noting. That's not just courtesy. Verbally communicating restraint intent during a use of force encounter reflects de-escalation training and is documented on camera. Graham versus Connor. The 1989 Supreme Court decision sets the standard force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not in hindsight. The officer was handcuffing a resisting subject who, by his own statement on camera, attempted to bite him. Attempted biting during an arrest constitutes assault on a law enforcement officer in most jurisdictions, a standalone felony charge. It also significantly changes the force calculus. The officer continued physical restraint rather than abandoning the arrest. That was the right call. Once handcuffed, the subject refused to place her feet in the patrol vehicle. The officer warned her she would be sprayed with OC. He did not deploy it. She eventually complied enough to be secured. Threatening a less lethal option to achieve compliance is within the use of force continuum. Issuing the warning before deployment reflects policy. That said, OC spray against an elderly subject is an area where department policy should be specific and explicit. Age and physical vulnerability are factors a reasonable officer must weigh under Graham. The threat was proportionate given the active resistance, but departments should have clear written guidance for vulnerable population arrests. The 14th Amendment Due Process Clause doesn't guarantee a phone call before booking. But there's a practical and ethical dimension when an arrested person has a known dependent at home who cannot care for themselves. The subject raised this repeatedly and urgently, a handicapped daughter alone. The officer eventually arranged a welfare check through family members on scene. Best practice would have been to address that proactively earlier in the encounter before it became a prolonged point of resistance. Acknowledging a legitimate concern early often reduces the struggle that follows. When a bystander became confrontational during the scene, the officer warned about obstruction of justice, but did not arrest. That measured response was correct. Under City of Houston versus Hill from 1987, verbal challenges to law enforcement, even provocative ones, are protected speech. Obstruction requires more than words. The family also raised a separate and serious allegation that the subject had previously pointed a firearm at a visitor. If substantiated, that conduct could support charges for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, a felony in all U.S. jurisdictions. That allegation falls outside this footage, but it was documented on camera. The responding officer receives a B+. His evidence collection was methodical. 3 written witness statements, injury documentation, proper primary aggressor determination. He escalated force proportionately and verbalized his intent throughout the arrest. Those are fundamentals done right. He loses points for 2 things. The dependent welfare concern was handled too late and too passively. That should have been addressed proactively before the arrest attempt, not after she was cuffed. And the OC spray threat, while legally defensible, signals a gap in vulnerable population arrest protocols. The subject receives a D. The physical evidence and 3 corroborating witness accounts place her as the initiator of the battery. Hair-pulling, eye-scratching, attempted biting, those are not borderline facts. Her sustained resistance during arrest, including the attempted bite on the officer, added new criminal exposure on top of the original charge. Age is a legitimate factor in sentencing. It is not a defense to the underlying conduct. She will have her day in court, and the evidence waiting for her there is substantial. The niece, Lucinda Pope, receives a B. She cooperated fully, gave a consistent account, had witnesses willing to sign statements, and did not escalate physically beyond what the evidence supports as self-defense. That's the conduct you want from a complainant. The deduction is for the decision to approach the subject with a phone rather than calling police and letting them document the trespass. That choice created the proximate conditions for the physical confrontation. The right to record is real. The wisdom of exercising it in every confrontation is a separate question. Lesson 1 in domestic incidents. The primary aggressor determination cannot be rushed. Arriving mid-fight and reading the scene at face value produces errors. This officer corrected his initial misread through evidence gathering. That discipline, being willing to revise your first impression, is what separates good investigation from a bad arrest. Lesson 2. Vulnerable population. Arrests. Elderly, physically impaired, mentally distressed, require department-specific written protocols. General use of force policy is not sufficient. When an officer is handcuffing someone in her 70s who is refusing to comply, he should have pre-trained options that don't default immediately to OC spray. Lesson 3. Dependent welfare is not a courtesy. It is a due process adjacent obligation in most jurisdictions, and practically speaking, it is a de-escalation tool. When an arrested person knows their dependent is cared for, they have one less reason to resist. Address it early. Don't make it an afterthought once they're already in cuffs. Lesson 4. Citizens recording in public, including recording other citizens, is constitutionally protected. But recording a hostile neighbor rather than calling police to document a trespass shifts the risk back onto the person holding the phone. Know your rights, and know when exercising them puts you in danger. The case outcome at time of analysis is unknown. The subject was transported to jail on charges that included domestic battery and resisting arrest. No outstanding warrants were found. Whether the family's separate firearm allegation was ever investigated is not reflected in this footage. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.